Hi friends, it's Liz here at Liz the Paper Project. I am going to be sharing a quick journal with all of you today, and I also wanted to say before I start, hello and thank you to Sunny, to Donna, and to Valentina for being such great subscribers, and some of you have purchased some items in the consignment shop, so thank you so much for that as well, for supporting my work and other artists. So to get started with this project, this fun project has been long overdue, and I apologize so much to Marie. She had sent me her irises kit a little while back, and it's just been chaotic for me, you guys, the last few months. What I've done for a little while now is I make some videos and I sort of save them and then edit them and share them with you. And because I've been having some technical issues and of course personal issues, etc., it's been a little bit delayed for me to get all that done. So the reason I'm saying all this is because this has been a work in progress for a while. I started, I put it aside, and it's just one of those things that you know, I don't want to just do a project just to do a project. I really want to be focused in what I'm doing. So anyways, that's where this is coming from. The kit is called Irises, and I will link the shop below. This is After Midnight Design. So Marie, thank you so much for your patience. I hope you like what I have made with it. I decided to go back to basics for this one, you guys, and it is one of my favorite style of journals to make. And this is one of the larger sizes, the 9x6s. I love this size of journal. It feels so nice in your hands, and there's just so much writing space and, you know, kind of memory keeping space. So let me get started. There will also be a discount code below that I will leave for you guys to get if you're interested in purchasing the kit. And I'm just making sure that I am still in frame, you guys. Okay, so here we go. So the first page I did a pocket, and I just added a tag here. This is Tim Holtz, and this paper from Tim Holtz is like falling apart on me. I'm not sure what's going on, but I still like it. Inside, and as you can see, it's been made with one of the large envelopes. So inside, I've got some of the beautiful designs as well. And it's just so nice right now to see these colors because it's winter and it's snowy out, and I'm just happy to see some bright colors on my desk. Inside, I've done a pocket, and it's just got some additional little pieces here. This is from Janine's shop at J9 Scraps. I will link her shop below, and I have used a bunch of her pieces of ephemera as always, and I'll just show you that as I go along. So this is one of the envelopes in the kit, and I like the size of them, and so I just made it into a little tuck spot over here. So going inside, you've got a little tuck spot. It's like a double tuck spot, and I just have some extra writing pages in here. As always, as you can see, I like to use a variety of papers, etc. for my designs. Sorry, you guys, I'm just trying to... I wanted to use this piece of paper for a little bit. Here you can just add, you know, anything you want in there, but I thought the colors went nice together as well. Here I made a little tuck spot, just using some leftover paper pieces, coffee stained paper. And the digitals are all from After Midnight Design. Here I made a little pocket. This is also from Janine's shop. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this journal just yet. It may be a swap journal. It may be in my shop. I haven't decided because sometimes I just like to work in something and kind of decide later. This is a little pocket here. You can close that up with washi tape or a staple. See how nice and bright the colors have turned out? I'm loving it. Janine's shop. Here I just made one of the little pockets that I've been making lately, and a little tag. And then this is a flip up, the Rita flip. Here I made this one into a little pocket again. This is from Janine's shop. And you can just see I've coffee stained some pages and some of them are not. Here I just made a little pocket with just some additional elements. These are all from the kit. And then this is just extra writing paper. I love vintage notebooks that have a little bit, you know, like you can kind of rip them out of the book itself. It's just, it gives it more character. The paper anyways. Another one of the gorgeous designs here. And I just used a file folder and kind of put it in the center because I thought it's nice to have something in the center, you know, to kind of hold additional pieces that you might want to use. Another pocket here. And then here we've got some additional elements as well with the other side of the flip. So like I said, I kept this one, you know, just back to basics. This is my style. I love to use this, not overly decorated, but just enough interactive pieces that, I don't know, that just kind of makes it fun. You can journal there. This paper is so thick. I got it from a woodworking book, and I just love how thick that paper is. And then just more coffee stained paper, another element from the kit. And the other side of the bag, another little tuck spot here. So this is the double tuck spot. And I did add the little circles that came in the kit, just almost like little tabs there. And then here we've got a large pocket in the back. This is in Janine's shop. And then here I just added another little tuck spot. And of course, as you can see, that's the large bag or pocket in the back. So I hope you guys like the share. I really did have fun working with this digital, and check out her shop. She has some really you know, wonderful pieces in there as well. I will leave the link below to the coupon if you're interested in purchasing this kit. And thank you so much for joining me, you guys. I've got some more stuff coming up as well. Filling up that consignment shop, and just looking forward to 2020. Lots of changes I'll be making, and I'm just looking forward to it. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.